Today is lazy cooking day. I don't feel like cooking. In my van and it's raining out.
He's not here. Ooh, I made a mess. Good morning, everybody, and thank you for joining me for breakfast. Now, I have a dilemma of what to eat for breakfast this morning. Oh my gosh, I'm in front of Panera Bread, and it comes up on my screen. Do you want a coffee for, do you want a bagel for $1? No, as according to my mom, they're a clogger, so I don't want a bagel for $1. So, I am going to go over to Target and see if I can get a day-old steak. You know how they have day-old bread, Target has day-old steak, so I'll cook that up at the beach. Right now, I really can't cook. I'll show you why. It's raining out. Yay! I love the rain. But really, it's terrible to be cooking in the van, and I don't want to be traipsing stuff to a park, you know, to a park bench or whatever to cook. So I'm hungry. I want something healthy, something easy to prepare. So what do I got going? I have my HotLogic right here. It's done cooking. So normally I go into the drawer. Now I know it's breakfast, but there's no problem with eating something like this, but I'm doing something different today. I'm not doing one of these. And I've told you about these in the past. I got these from Big Lots for $1. This is Loma Linda Food, and Loma Linda Food is it's vegetarian, and they use texturized soy protein in it, TSP as they call it, and they I think they join it together with wheat. They've been doing this for over 100 years, and you can get these in a lot of stores, especially the health-conscious foods, but I like Big Lots for $1. This is the old packaging, and I assume that's why Big Lots got these for $1. This is the new packaging. The only thing that worries me is the sodium content. This is 980 milligrams. This one's 970 milligrams, and this one is, let's see, 990. So they're all about the same in the sodium. This one's really big. This one has 17 grams of protein. That's what I live for. I do pretty good, you know, on some of the fake meats I don't do well on, but Loma Linda I seem to. And what do I mean by doing well on is, you know, meat really keeps me from being a nervous Nelly all day. So this one has 15 grams of protein, 9 grams of protein. They all vary, but let's see. What am I cooking in my HotLogic? Come here, HotLogic. Come to mama. Now, oh, I do tag products. This will be down there in the description if I remember. Like I said, I don't want to be opening windows and having heat build up in here. It's going to get warm today. Warm and humid. We are out at the beach area. So yeah, humidity bad. But this is really spicy. I'm opening up my HotLogic. Let's have a reveal. Ta-da! There we go. Now, the other thing I wanted to explain the difference between is these take longer to cook in my HotLogic because of the thick plastic on the bottom. And technically, I really can't flip it over on the top. Well, okay, I don't know. I know if this goes in the microwave, you're supposed to pop the top a little bit to let out steam. But since it's in a slow cooker, I don't pop the top. I've never had a problem. That's all I'm saying. So I guess I could cook it this way to where you have the thin piece of plastic on top. I don't know. But these are foil packets, and this is plastic, and I'm happy for the foil packets. So what do we have today, Leilani? Where's the scissors at? Let me get your scissors. Thank you, Leilani. I love this. Can't touch this, and it's a picture of a cactus. So thank you for that, Leilani. Oh my gosh. Now, when we meet up, Leilani, not a lot of stuff, only practical stuff for van life. Of course, I use that beautiful tie-dye cup when I'm at home. All right, so what do we have today? We have pad thai with konjac noodles, and this is really good. So it's sort of like, you know, I could feel guilty for cheating, but I'm not going to. All right, so I'm going to open it up. I don't know if I need the scissors. That's a good question. Now then, this one has 13 grams of protein. It is a single serving pouch and 260 calories. And that's what I go by a lot. Let me read the back. Konjac noodles, water, konjac flour, some things that I can't pronounce. That should tell me TSP, texturized soy protein, red pepper, tomato, corn, sunflower oil, bad, water, chestnut, tomato, basil. Like I said, this is about the most healthiest choice that I can afford right now. I'm not going to go to McDonald's and spend $10 for breakfast. Yep. Scissors to the rescue. I can't open it. They do not make these for, what does it say? The Loma Linda community has been an inspiration for our brand. The community has embraced a plant-based lifestyle for many generations. They have. Our brand will continue to carry the message of nourishment through plants, sustainability of our planet, and deliciously crafted recipes the entire family will enjoy. Okay, and as many people know, I'm not sure if you all know, but I used to live, Redlands is right next to Loma Linda. So I'm going to pour this out and put it in my dog's dish, okay? Yeah, Lucy's not here. Ooh, I made a mess. I made a mess. This one is spicy. This is the pad thai. Lots of gravy there. But like I said, I eat foods to... how am I going to feel when I'm done eating this food? And I'll feel pretty good. My stomach won't hurt. Oh, that's spicy. This one is spicy. I'm glad I bought all these before Big Lots went under. And people, don't write in and say, oh my gosh, that food's 2 years old. You shouldn't eat it. It's like, I keep my food in it's not in a hot storage unit or anything. So, yeah, my storage unit is nice and cool. And I don't know, it's such a good spicy food. So now I'm going to show you this, since I really can't show you that good. This is what their meat, put it in quotes. I can't air quote right now. That's what it looks like. So if I cook this in my HotLogic Mini, this takes twice as long to cook as this. And since I was having a problem making decisions this morning, I didn't know what I wanted to eat. It's like, then think about your health, right? Anyhow, put it in the comments below. What are you having for breakfast? And I hope you liked my little breakfast, what I chose for breakfast. What do I mean by that? You know, it's not the worst thing I could eat. And also, the HotLogic Mini comes in a bunch of different colors. And oops, why are you still plugged in? Why are you still on? I have no idea. No wonder it's still hot. You can get it in 12 volt or 110 volt. And everybody tells me the 12 volt is more efficient for the thing. Well, as I eat this, I'm not going to eat in front of you because my nose will be running. It's that spicy, but I enjoy every moment of it. Anyhow, see. All right, so I thought I'd show you what's in the pouch. There's some corn. This is what the konjac noodles look like. And this is their alleged meat. A lot of meat chunks in here, but it is TSP, so let's see. That's good and spicy. I really love these products.
That's too funny. Look at those dog eyes. Anyhow, I will see you down the road. Bye, everyone.